In this video, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open www.wise.com and log in with your email and password to access your dashboard. There will also be a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to the verification section. Navigate to your profile or account settings and find the verification or identity section. Step 3. Upload required documents. Prepare acceptable ID documents such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Upload clear photos or scans as instructed. Step 4. Provide additional information. Enter any requested personal details such as your full name, address, and date of birth to match your ID documents. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. Submit your verification information and wait for Wise to review your documents. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. And that's how you verify your identity on Wise. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Bye.